Welcome back. That. What? Don't look at me like that.
Nothing.
Welcome back to Forkin Around. I'm Steven. Alex.
What's up?
What's up, y'all? So we're gonna do, we figure we'll tour around the countries. So we're gonna do the national dish of Australia, the Bloomin' Onion. I don't know why you're laughing, it's facts and everybody knows it.
It's an American restaurant.
Okay.
Cooking in the kitchen now, that's what we do. There's something cooking in the kitchen just for you. Let's get cooking!
So this is, I'm not gonna lie, no bullshit, not the most fun thing to make in life, but we're gonna do it for the views. You wanna find the biggest onion you can find, ideally one grown near a nuclear plant.
Those Chernobyl onions.
Well, funny you should say that. They just released a vodka that's made from grain grown near the Chernobyl site, and it's called
Chernobyl.
No.
Which is from a movie I worked on called Hot Tub Time Machine. You're not the only famous one here.
Steve Pink, holla at you, boy. It's called Atomic. Damn it. Hate caps. Alright, so this is how you cut your bloomin' onion. Pay attention. You have two parts of the onion, right? You have your top part of the onion.
Oh yeah, do the whole thing in Australian accent.
Okay. You got the top part of the onion.
Yeah.
And then you got the bottom part.
He's really good at accents.
It's called the root.
The what?
The root. So we want to cut the top off, right? L'chaim. We just gave it a brisk.
The bris.
Now you want to pull off this layer. See the onion? We're gonna place it down like that. You gotta be careful with this because there's the root. This is what holds everything together. You do not want to cut anywhere near that. So we're gonna make 4 cuts the first go around. And then. Now, you have 4 separate sections. Slowly, I creep up on the onion. Oh, this is a nasty bugger, isn't it? So we're gonna continue this process. We're gonna make 3 slices in between each one. 1, 2. Oh, we actually make 4 here. 4. We're just gonna continue this process all the way around. So all in all, we did about 16 cuts. Now, if all went according to plan, look at that baby. Gorgeous, right? So we have our onion. It's opening up a little bit. We're gonna blanch it in this boiling water. Why do we do that, Alex?
So that the pores open up?
No, you need to get it wet so it'll pop. No, you need to get it wet so it'll blossom. Like, no, that's not right. You need to blanch it in hot water so it'll bloom open and she'll blossom on. So we're gonna blanch this in boiling water for a minute. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes. There she goes again. There she goes. All right, you counting in your head?
Yes.
What second are we at?
42.
Pretty good, pretty good. We're actually at 44. So now that the onion is blanched, look how beautiful it opened up. Woo! Woohoo! Let's go. We're gonna jump it into an ice bath. Why do we do that, Alex?
Because he got an injury during the game.
So we're gonna do the breading, the flouring. This is gonna taste exactly like Outback Steakhouse. You're gonna think you're going down under. What did we just pour in there, Alex?
Flour.
We're gonna do salt, right? We always have the salt. Pepper, yes?
Yes, chef.
Cayenne pepper, yes?
You tell me, man.
Paprika,
Paprika.
yes? A little cumin.
That one I can agree with.
Get in there.
Give me an O face.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that works.
A little thyme for your thighs, yes?
Why do you keep saying yes? Yeah, you're the one doing it.
And of course, our best friend, oregano.
Oregano.
What are you doing, Steven? Well, I'm just seasoning by eye. That's the best part about cooking. 1, you get to hang out with me. And then 2, you can't really mess it up.
Yes, you can.
Now you wanna incorporate all that. And now, for the pièce de résistance, oh oui oui.
Is that Australian?
pull your onion out of the water bath, dry it off to the best of your little Australian ability. I'm not saying all Australians have little ability, I'm just saying since it's a So we have our dredging station up, we got our flour, and we got our milk and egg mixture. What do you do first, Alex?
Milk and egg mixture.
No.
Flour.
Yes. Ding, ding, ding. So we're gonna go twice, actually. So you wanna get in between each little petal. Take your time. Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Now we're gonna go for a little swim. I don't know, there might be some crooks in that pond. Is the Nile River in Egypt or in no, it's in Egypt. But Australia must have a river. Where are those crocodiles hanging out? So now we're gonna get her wet. Now, put the flour back on it. Now that your onion is properly dredged, you dredged it now, did you? Oh yeah, what's that smell? It's the sound of an onion. Not the sound, maybe the smell.
I'd like to apologize to anyone watching with any Australian heritage whatsoever.
Okay, who is your favorite all-time Australian?
Mel Gibson.
His views are not in line with mine.
What, you're going Paul Hogan?
No, I was gonna say, honestly? Oh, come on, dude.
Margot
Robbie. Second favorite Australian, Jerry Butler. My God, what a genius.
He's Scottish.
What?
Are you serious?
I swear to God, I thought he was Australian. Bloomin' onion, set. Doesn't that look beautiful? Now you're gonna wanna freeze this. Why do we wanna freeze it?
So it hardens?
That's pretty close, I'll give you it. You wanna freeze it because we want this batter, the dredging and the flour to stick to it. You're gonna freeze it for about, if you can, 2 hours. Woo, that was fun. Oh shoot, guys, guess what?
What?
What goes best with bloomin' onion, Alex? You're gonna say nothing because I don't like dipping sauces. But if
No,
you,
it's ketchup.
it's one of the ingredients in Outback's bloomin' onion sauce. So, how do we make this? Mayonnaise. Squirty, squirty, squirty. Ketchup.
That much.
Engelhoff's horseradish. I'm gonna do a little horseradish. Some black pepper. Paprika.
Paprika.
Red cayenne pepper.
This is the same stuff that's in the batter.
Yeah, it's pretty much almost the same stuff. Again, our best friend, oregano. Everything always needs a touch of salt. Again, you are the boss of your own sauce. You can adjust accordingly.
You can get our new t-shirt, Sauce Boss, in the store.
Now, we're gonna mix it. Ooh, look at it, look, it looks like that, son.
I hope so.
All right, we'll see you in 2 hours. Now let's go on a safari to find the little bugger here in the dangerous fields of the kitchen. Oh shit, quiet mate. I see one right there.
Gotta sneak
Hang on, you gotta sneak up on. Get angry. The elusive, blooming onion, Australia's national treasure.
We don't want it to smell us, so let's rub ourselves in alligator urine.
That was fun. Now, for the dangerous part. So the oil's preheated to 375. We want it a little hot because this onion is coming in cold.
Wait, are you putting this frozen into the thing?
Yeah.
Isn't that gonna explode?
We'll find out now, won't we? You want to go in slow, is not to disturb the wildlife. It's not completely frozen, so it's gonna bubble. Don't try this at home, kids. Or actually do try it at home. Now you don't have to freeze it, you can just put it in the fridge for like 15 minutes. But I kinda like the texture of it when you freeze it. Australia fact number 7,433.
Okay.
koalas carry herpes.
Is that how you got it?
All right, so we're gonna let that go until it's brown. Fiji's in Australia.
Australia fact number 3000 is already working.
What's your favorite movie shot in Australia?
Oh, well, I only, obviously, Lord of the Rings.
Not shot in Australia.
Okay, look, take it, we're pulling it out. Check it, check it. So, Bloomin' Onion's out, looks beautiful. I'm gonna take the core out so we can place our sauce in there. I'm using a cup. So there you have it, a Bloomin' Onion, Outback style, like the proper Aussie way. Molto bene, as they say, down under. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate it. It's hot in here. Don't forget to smash that like button.